Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I am drowning in scraps. Stay tuned. Y'all, what you see right here on my desk is just a small amount of the scraps that I have. I have them in every season, pattern, color, theme. You name it, I have scraps that will fit it. So today we're tackling those scraps once again. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful, wonderful way in which you support me and my channel every single day. I have a couple of Christmas scrap projects that I've shared with you already. In case you've missed it, both of those videos will be listed in the description box below. Today we're going to tackle more and more scraps. So I'm going to share with you a third idea for how you can use some of those larger scraps that you might have added to your collection by just crafting along with me. So I'll show you what we're making in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, here's a small portion of the scraps that I actually have. And this is from this year's Christmas crafting, as well as leftover from some of the kits that I've made and shipped out to some of you guys. So I have some very large scrap pieces, and it would be a shame to throw these out because look at these long sizes. There are so many wonderful things that we can do with these. Today we're going to focus on one thing in particular. So I am going to move this over to the side so that I can also show you one of the ways that I store some of the white scrap paper that I have whenever I'm making notebooks and journals. I will have so many white scrap pieces left over that it truly is a shame to throw these out. And some of them are really large and some of them are long. Just a shame to throw these out because we always need that white paper for the insides of certain things, and that is what we're going to be using today. So I'm going to pull out a piece of that white paper. We're going to take our scraps and we're just going to turn them into the cutest little gift card holders that you can make from scrap. Now, if you have scraps the size that I'm using, you can go ahead and make those. But if you wanted to make these from one 12 by 12 inch piece, you can get 4 of these gift card holders from one sheet of 12 by 12. But because I have so many scraps, I'm going to be using the scraps for my project. However, I will show you how to cut that 12 by 12 so that you can get 4 of these gift card holders from that one 12 by 12. So to make this, if you have scrap, that is what we're going to be using. I'm going to be making my gift card holder using 2 pieces of scrap. Now the scrap size that I have is 9 by 4, and I'm just going to trim it down a little bit to 8.5 by 4 because I really don't want the overhead flap to be that large. Then I'm going to take this piece of scrap white and I am going to cut it down to 3.25 by 2.25. So this is what we'll need to work with if we're using scrap. So let's say you don't have any scrap the size that I'm using and you want to use one 12 by 12 inch piece to make all of your gift card holders the same look. All you need to do is take a piece of 12 by 12. You're going to cut a 4-inch strip this way. Let's move this to the side, and then we're going to cut 3 4-inch strips this way. So your fold over flap is going to be just a little bit smaller than mine, but that's okay because this is still going to work. So what you want to do is then take that piece that is 12 by 4 and you're going to slide it in at 8. And now you have 4 8 by 4-inch pieces that you can score using the measurements that I'll be giving you for the scrap that I have. So this scrap is 4 by 8.5, but it's not going to make a difference whether it's 4 by 8.5 or 4 by 8, and you'll see why in just a minute. So on the 8.5 inch side or the 8 inch side, score at 2, score at 5, and score at 7.5. Then rotate it to the 4-inch side, score at 1/4 of an inch. Rotate it to the opposite 4-inch side and score at 1/4 of an inch. Those are all of our scores. Then let's fold and burnish all of our scores. And this will be folded backwards. Go ahead and fold that. Then we're going to take these little 1/4-inch strips on the side, get them folded like this. Then I'll use my finger blade, and where we have that narrow flap, let's just go ahead and angle in like that. And then we'll angle in here. Do the same thing over here. Let's angle and angle. So this is the end where it's 8.5 or 8. This is why it really won't matter, because we're going to take this piece and fold it over just to give us a decorative edge. So whether you are using a 1-inch fold over or a 1/2 inch fold over, it really won't matter. You just want a decorative edge to fold over. I've added some glue. I'm going to fold that so that we can go ahead and get it stuck and out of our way. Now we're going to go to each score mark, and we're going to do a little angle cut on each side of that score mark. So we're notching out a little V by angling on both sides of the score mark. So I have zoomed in just a little bit more so that you can definitely see what it is I'm doing. So all I'm doing is notching out a little V on both sides of that score mark. Then we're going to take this end and add glue to the inside of those flaps. Fold them over like this. And this one. Go ahead and get those stuck. And then on the middle section, we'll do the same thing. So we're placing the glue on the inside. Fold that over and get it stuck. And now we're going to take this bottom piece here and we place the glue on the outside. So I am going to place my glue right there and right here. And I'll just fold up and we'll stick it to that piece there. Then I'm going to take some tape. We'll take that scrap piece that measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and I'm just going to add some tape to this piece. And we're going to take it and put it right here. Now I'm going to take one of my little stickers and just add it to this. And I think what I want to go with is I want to go with this. Give it a nice festive look. And now we can just take a gift card or a business card, put it on the inside like that, and write your message right there. And then to close it, I'm just going to use a sticker by taking that sticker, putting it right there, and using that sticker to seal it. Very easy way to take our scraps and turn them into gift cards. Y'all, we can literally take these scraps and turn them into so many different things. But today I decided to make gift cards with my scraps. You might want to use larger scraps and make your little wallets bigger, but I think that these are perfect if you want to just tuck it in a stocking or hand it off to someone or put it on a desk for Secret Santa or Christmas. And if you want, you can simply tuck in a chocolate. Totally up to you. But guys, I hope that you have enjoyed another fun, quick, and easy way that we can use our scraps to create usables for Christmas, stocking stuffers, Secret Santa, handing off gift cards, handing off cash. We can take those scraps and put them to good use. If you have liked this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.